Hi, Popsugar.
I'm Kelly Marie Tran.
And I'm Awkwafina.
And we're from Disney's Raya and the Last Dragon.
Today, we're going to take a Disney princess movie trivia quiz. Let's see how we do.
What was the very first Disney princess movie?
Snow White.
Yes. Yeah. 1937. If you could play any Disney princess or prince in a live action film, which would you choose and why?
Wow. Can I just say the chicken from Moana? Because that's like literally my favorite character ever. I don't think he's a Disney princess or a prince, but that is actually my favorite character ever.
I love that.
What's the name of the kingdom in Frozen?
Oh no. What is the name of the kingdom in Frozen? Oh, I have no idea. I have absolutely no clue.
Arendelle.
Oh.
Arendelle. Yes.
Arendelle.
What was your favorite scene to record and why?
But one of my favorite scenes is actually the scene where Raya and Sisu are when they're jumping over that really big drop off. I love that scene.
With the fart beetles.
Yeah, I love the fart beetles. When they told me about the fart beetles, I could not stop laughing. I just love that part so much. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me.
I went to a school and they had a hall.
Do you know what movie this is?
No. Colors of the Wind? No.
It's Moana, I think. Oh. What is your favorite Disney song?
I got a couple of Disney songs. I really love Part of Your World. I sound horrible singing it, but I feel like every person like really wants to kill that song, and only like 3 out of 900 can. Also, Reflection, man.
Reflection. The movie version or the Christina Aguilera version?
Both. Yeah. But I will tell you, Christina Aguilera really pushed that song though into the mainstream because you know what I mean? But obviously the scene, right, when she sings it, that was iconic as well. Mm-hmm. Yes.
So good.
What name does Ursula go by after transforming into a human?
These are hard questions. I'm going to guess Helena. I have absolutely no idea.
Ursula. Why? Is Helena like an easy, like to straight you as like a, you were kind of right.
Yeah.
You want to try again? You going it?
Yeah. Okay. Trisha. Wait, what'd you say? I didn't even see.
It was Vanessa.
Oh, Vanessa.
Vanessa. What was your favorite part about being a part of Raya and the Last Dragon?
I guess to work with so many amazing people on something that we all knew was really special. That doesn't happen a lot. And it's a really big deal. Which Disney princess movie takes place in the United States?
Princess of the Frog.
Yeah. Princess of the Frog. New Orleans. Yeah, you're right.
New Orleans.
What does it mean to you to be part of this movie and to bring more Asian representation on screen?
It means the world to me to be both in this movie and to also bring Asian representation to the screen. I think both of those things kind of go hand in hand as this movie is going to be very significant for many generations to come, for kids young and old, and just very, very proud to be a part of it. Who said this quote? "I am not a prize to be won."
Jasmine.
Ooh, you knew that quick too.
Yeah.
That's real.
I love that one. I love that movie.
Yes. What's the most difficult or most fun part about voice acting for an animated film?
So the most difficult is probably just being because of COVID, we were all in our like makeshift voiceover booths. And the hardest thing is probably trying to imagine yourself on a huge battlefield with Droon and all this chaos happening when you're actually just in your living room. That was probably the hardest thing. And the most fun thing is just letting yourself play and be a kid and not have to hit any mark or make sure the light hits your face in a certain way. You're really just able to focus on the acting of it. So that's, I think, the best part for me. What is the name of Mulan's sidekick dragon?
Mushu.
Yeah. If you had to defeat a Disney villain, who would be your go-to Disney sidekick or partner in crime?
I think that I would have Zazu to just organize everything and to just keep a planner, like a day schedule. And then I think I would have, Genie, right?
Yeah.
Genie. Yeah, I feel like he could teleport me somewhere.
Bye, Popsugar. You can see Disney's Raya and the Last Dragon in theaters.
And on Disney Plus with premiere access March 5th.